They say, in the summer of 1943, something extraordinary happened in the Philadelphia Naval Shipyard. Something that was never meant to be seen by human eyes. A secret experiment that would change everything we know about reality. The U.S. Navy called it Project Rainbow. Its purpose? To make warships invisible to enemy radar during World War II. A revolutionary idea, born from desperation, secrecy, and science that maybe was never meant to be touched. The story begins with the USS Eldridge, a brand new destroyer escort. On July 22, 1943, the ship was fitted with massive generators, magnetic coils, and strange Tesla-based equipment. Witnesses say, a bright green-blue light began to swirl around the vessel. And within seconds, the entire ship vanished. Gone from radar. Gone from sight. Gone from this world. Sailors nearby said the Eldridge was swallowed by a green fog, and then simply disappeared. For a few seconds, silence. Then lightning cracked across the harbor, and in an instant, the ship reappeared. But what they saw next was worse than anyone could have imagined. Crew members stumbled out, screaming. Some were burned, others disoriented, and a few were fused into the metal deck itself. Their bodies, half inside solid steel. Others were gone forever. They spoke of nausea, hallucinations, and strange time distortions. Some claimed they drifted through darkness for what felt like hours before being pulled back into reality. And the strangest part? The Eldridge didn't just vanish from Philadelphia. It supposedly reappeared hundreds of miles away in Norfolk, Virginia, only to return minutes later. The Navy denied everything. They said no such experiment ever happened. But witnesses, scientists, and even sailors who served on the Eldridge told a very different story. One of them was Carlos Allende, also known as Carl Allen. In 1955, he sent letters to researcher Morris K. Jessup describing the experiment in detail. He claimed that Einstein's unified field theory had been used to bend light around the ship, making it invisible. But something went wrong. The magnetic field didn't just bend light. It bent space and time. Jessup was fascinated and terrified. Later, a mysterious copy of his book appeared, filled with handwritten notes, supposedly from extraterrestrial observers who had witnessed the experiment. Shortly after, Jessup was found dead in his car. Officially a suicide, but the timing was far too suspicious. Many now believe the Philadelphia experiment accidentally opened a door to teleportation or even time travel. Some say the Navy continued its research under a new project, Montauk on Long Island, where darker experiments took place, involving time, mind control, and alternate dimensions. Of course, skeptics say it's all a myth. They claim it was just a misunderstood test. Maybe degaussing, a real process to make ships invisible to magnetic mines. But no one can explain the detailed eyewitness accounts or the strange behavior of the supposed survivors. One sailor was said to fade in and out of existence, right in front of people. Others vanished for minutes, then reappeared, terrified, saying they had been out of sync with time. And some never came back. Not dead, not missing, just gone. So what really happened in Philadelphia that summer? Was it an experiment gone wrong? A cover-up for advanced military research? Or proof that human technology touched the edge of the universe itself? Whatever the truth is, one thing's certain. Something happened to the USS Eldridge. Something powerful enough to make a ship disappear.